In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Docusign using a simple and practical method that most users can follow easily. After logging in, go to your profile icon and open the Manage Profile section, where you'll find the fields to update your first and last name. Enter your new details carefully and save the changes to ensure they reflect across your account. While the process is straightforward, it's important to use your correct legal or professional name, especially since it may appear on signed documents and agreements. In some cases, additional verification or account restrictions could apply depending on usage or region, so it's good to double-check everything before saving. Also, remember that updating your name won't change past documents, so consistency matters going forward. Overall, Docusign makes profile updates simple, but accuracy is key to avoid issues later. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you stay confident and efficient.